Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have recently returned to one of my favorite childhood activities, the jump rope. But this is no ordinary jump rope. This is the Rookie SmartRope from Tangram, and this thing is awesome. So I am always looking for new ways to keep active and keep things interesting, especially with cardio. But working out at home, I don't have a ton of space but this jump rope takes up no space at all, and it gives you a great workout. So the Rookie connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and using the SmartRope app, it allows you to track your workout data, including counting your jumps, calories, and the time that you have spent jump roping. And the app also works with my smartwatch, which is awesome. And there are interval training workouts you can do. There's also a leaderboard, so you can see where you stand against other jumpers. And this leaderboard really speaks to my competitive nature. And I absolutely am totally motivated by seeing what other people are doing and trying to catch up or edge out the competition. And you can even challenge others to a competition to keep things interesting as well. This jump rope is powered by a very small coin style battery, and it can last up to 9 months. And by the way, don't let this jump rope fool you. This is hard work. This is an amazing cardio and full body exercise. It's super challenging, but it's also really fun. And I love that I can do it in a really tiny space. I can do it outside or inside. I can take this with me on a trip somewhere. It weighs nothing and it takes up no space at all. I just love that this is such an easy way to mix up my workouts a little bit. So if you are looking for a challenging and fun workout that takes up no space, it weighs nothing, you can take it anywhere with you, then I would definitely give the Rookie SmartRope from Tangram a try. I absolutely love it. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.